We often remember those who fought and sacrificed for our freedom. But what is freedom? Freedom is not a shooting star in the sky. Freedom is not the bulb lighting up in the gigantic universe, all illuminating one moment and gone next. Freedom is about wetting the earth with the blood of the soldier, and it is this moist earth that the tree of liberty takes root. Let us ask ourselves, what is the price of our freedom? A poet Manoj Muntashir said, जूते फटे पहनकर आकाश पे चढ़े थे, जूते फटे पहनकर आकाश पे चढ़े थे, सपने हमारे हरदम औकात से बड़े थे। सर कटाने से पहले दुश्मन ने सर झुकाया, जब देखा उसने हमें निहत्ते मैदान में खड़े थे। On February 1919, former PM Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee visited Lahore, and both the countries signed Lahore Declaration, often referred as bus diplomacy. Before spring season, Pakistani army sent their troops to enter across LOC and named them as tribals and mujahiddeens to take position at the top of the hill. The plan of Pakistani army is to capture the top of the hill and cut the crucial link, that is National Highway 1D, which connects Kashmir to Leh, which is very close to Siachen Glacier. The Pakistani army gained strategic height and made bunkers and posts over there. By gaining this strategic height, they could easily target National Highway 1D. The Pakistani army captured Marpola Ridgeline, Mukosh Valley in the Dras sector and Batalik sector, Charbatla sector and Turtuk in the southern part of Siachen. Then, very secretly, a patrolling party led by Captain Saurav Kalia left to see the conditions at those hills, but they were missing for many days, and after some days, Pakistani army returned their body in a very poor condition, which is not expected from a human. As former PM Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji believes in cooperation with neighborhood, and he also visited Lahore for signing Lahore Declaration, but this plan of Pakistan hurts him the most.
हम शांति चाहते हैं, ये तो दुनिया ने देखा। अब दुनिया ये देखेगी कि हम शांति की रक्षा के लिए और अपनी शक्ति का भी प्रदर्शन कर सकते हैं। लड़ाई के परिणाम के बारे में भी मेरे मन में कोई संदेह नहीं है। हमारी विजय निश्चित है और हम विजयी होकर दिखाएंगे।
Former PM Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji instantly ordered the armed forces to give reply for bricks with stone, that is, ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देना. Then army take action and announces war under the vision of General VP Malik. The operation named as Operation Vijay. Indian army is fighting from ground. Now it's time for Air Force to attack. Wing Commander V.S. Dhanova, who is now retired Air Chief Marshal, during Kargil War is the commander of the fighter squadron. Squadron leader Ajay Ahuja, squadron leader K. Nichiketa, squadron leader Raghunath Nambiar gave the real definition of warrior in this war. This operation is named as Operation Safed Sagar. Also, Indian Navy at the same time, under the vision of Vice Admiral Madhivendra Singh, seized Karachi port. This operation is known as Operation Talwar. History is going to take a new turn and now the action begins.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. और रुख मोड़ दिए तूफानों के, चट्टानों को धूल बनाया है। दुश्मन हमको ना भूलेगा, उसे ऐसा सबक सिखाया है। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Colonel Joshi on the radio said, after another bunker was captured, my company's सक्सेस की नलवाज ये दिल मांगे मोर।
चाहे आंधी चले तूफान उठे बढ़ता ही रहे तू रुके नहीं, जब तक है फलक जब तक है जमी मेरा दिल ये कहे कभी झुके नहीं। बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा, बस यूं ही लहराए तिरंगा। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
अगर मुझे अपने खून को साबित करने से पहले मौत आ गई तो कसम से मैं मौत को ही मौत की नींद सुला दूंगा।
During this war, we lost 527 brave hearts of our Indian army, but we managed to throw out the intruders. Today, we must remember and respect all those brave hearts who sacrificed their today for our better tomorrow. It signifies victory of good over evil. They lived with honor and died with valor. They lived with honor and died with valor. They sleep in peace so that we may sleep peacefully with honor. Words will never be enough to express our gratitude towards a soldier who sacrificed their today for our better tomorrow.
जो पाकिस्तान से कहा गया है, एक नहीं दो नहीं करो 20 समझौते पर स्वतंत्र भारत का मस्तक नहीं झुकेगा। अगणित बलिदानों से अर्जित यह स्वतंत्रता, अगणित बलिदानों से अर्जित यह स्वतंत्रता, शिवस्वेद शोणित से सिंचित यह स्वतंत्रता, त्याग तेज तप बल से रक्षित यह स्वतंत्रता, दुखी मनुजता के हित अर्पित यह स्वतंत्रता। इसे मिटाने की साजिश करने वालों से कह दो चिनगारी का खेल बुरा होता है। इसे मिटाने की साजिश करने वालों से कह दो चिनगारी का खेल बुरा होता है। औरों के घर आग लगाने का जो सपना वह अपने ही घर में सदा खड़ा हो।
Despite of a gigantic contribution of our soldier in the progress of the nation, it is pity that many of our fellow citizens have never ever heard of the names of this brave soldier. Thus, the sole purpose of this performance is to urge the citizens of this country, to remember and respect the pains taken by our valiant soldier in the progress of the nation and for ensuring the safety of one and all. Thus, it's a request to everyone. Let us not allow this commemoration to be simply reduced as an annual affair. Let us not allow this commemoration to be simply reduced as an annual affair. Let us take a vow to always put the welfare of the nation first, well-being of our countrymen next, and our comfort at last. Let us not allow this commemoration to be simply reduced as an annual affair. Let us take a vow to always put the welfare of the nation first, well-being of our countrymen next, and our comfort at last.
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Are we going to have a good drill today? Yes, sir! Are we going to set this parade ground on fire? Yes, sir! How's the George? How's the George? How's the goddamn George?